Hi! In front of me is Poco F5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to clipboard. Then tap on voice typing. Click on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. And when you're ready, go back. To start typing, tap on microphone icon and choose Allow in the pop-up. In this case, while using the app. So when I do that, I can start typing. When you're ready, tap on the same icon to end it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!